What are we expecting for the weekend?
Well, Elena, we're not done with the rain yet. I talked about this for the past couple of days. We would have a lull through the evening, and then the rain chances will pick up overnight. I still believe that's going to be the case. These are kind of rainfall estimates we've had so far. Even if we just had this is great to have at least something compared to what we have seen, but we're talking about a quarter of an inch to near 3/4 of an inch in some spots. Not a whole lot still at this time, but we're just starting to see a few showers return from the southwest, and they're moving to the northeast. Let's get a little bit wider perspective here. All the rain I'm seeing building back through portions of Mississippi, Arkansas, and Alabama, that's what's lifting northward along this warm front, and that's what's going to increase our rain chances as we go through the night tonight. So increasing opportunities overnight into early tomorrow morning. Temperatures kind of holding steady here in the upper 50s range. I don't see that really changing much as we head towards daybreak for tomorrow. And then through the day tomorrow, we'll see those rain chances start to taper off, especially in the afternoon. We'll probably make it to about 62 degrees the way it's looking, and then much colder by the time we head into Sunday. During the afternoon, we're only looking at upper 30s to right around 40 degrees, and that's with some sunshine. That's more January-like. I'll tell you if that's going to stick around next week, though, coming up in a minute, Elena. Has beneficial rains already across the area for today, anywhere from about a quarter of an inch to near 3/4 of an inch being estimated across the area, and we're not done yet. Rain has moved back in now to the plateau. You can see the rain has hit the Lens, Cumberland County, and Crossville. Fairly light as of right now, but there are some moderate showers between Sunbright and Wartburg and Morgan County, and some moderate rain coming up the I-75 corridor, and that's where all this is coming from southwest to northeast across the area. We'll see more of that as this warm front lifts a little closer to us, as does that area of low pressure through the night tonight. So let's take a look. 6 predictor from where we are right now. Again, the stormy weather is going to stay to our south and east. There is not a threat for severe storms overnight. The only impact we may have, it could be some locally heavy rainfall that could lead to some very isolated flooding. I think that would be a little further to the south, kind of the way it's looking, and it looks like that has been updated. So again, areas mainly south of I-40, let's say. My biggest concern would be some ponding on some area roadways if you're traveling late tonight or very early tomorrow morning, especially before sunrise. Just keep that in mind, okay? Otherwise, rain chances will slowly diminish as we go through the afternoon and evening hours. On our Saturday, temperatures are going to be in the upper 50s and low 60s, so kind of a mild day once again with some brisk winds, but those are winds of change, and you're really going to notice it by tomorrow evening. So we're still talking, again, mid-afternoon temperatures in the low 60s, but watch by about this time tomorrow night. I'll be here again with you. We're talking probably mid-40s by the time we get to 11 o'clock with some 30s on the plateau. That's most likely going to be our high temperature officially for Sunday, is just after midnight, probably right around 45 degrees, because then we're going to continue to drop. We'll be in the 30s first thing Sunday morning with wind chill values in the mid to upper 20s, maybe even some teens for wind chill values to the north. And then we're going to struggle to get out of the mid 30s as we go into the afternoon hours, and that's with some sunshine returning. Wind chill values, teens and 20s once again, just showing you how much colder this air is going to be on Sunday. And these are the actual temperatures when you step out the door going to work and school Monday morning. Teens and 20s. It's January. Remember, yeah, it hasn't felt like it this week, but it is. High temperatures by Monday afternoon, below average 45. We're slightly above average Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we dip again. This is the system I've been talking about. Yes, I know people had somebody stop me at the store today. Is it going to snow next week? Yes, but not what you're thinking. Here's what I mean. Yeah, there is a system that's headed our way. Temperature-wise here, by the time we get to Thursday morning in the valley, borderline at best. It's just a reminder, it's still winter, okay? But it is colder. We're only upper 30s for highs on Thursday, and it looks colder into next weekend as well. And it does look like there could be another storm system that heads our way next weekend. Maybe a better chance then. We'll keep an eye on it, but just know much colder Sunday compared to Saturday.